Are Coursera IT courses actually worth it? And which ones should you take if you want to start a career in tech? In this video, I'll give you a quick review of the best information technology courses on Coursera so you can choose the right path. Before we start, quick tip. If you plan to take multiple IT courses, getting Coursera Plus is usually more cost-effective than paying for each course separately. You will find the link in the description. You can explore different paths like IT support, cybersecurity, and automation without paying again for every single course. Now let's look at the top options. One of the most popular programs is the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. This course has over 200,000 reviews and an excellent rating of around 4.8 out of 5. It covers networking, operating systems, system administration, and troubleshooting. This is one of the best entry points if you're starting from zero. Another strong option is the Microsoft IT Support Specialist program. This one has a high rating of around 4.8 with over 1,000 reviews. It focuses more on real-world tools and enterprise environments, making it useful for job-ready skills. And a third top choice is Google IT Automation with Python. This program has tens of thousands of reviews and a rating of around 4.8. It combines IT support with automation, scripting, and cloud skills, which are highly valuable in today's job market. Now, let's talk about what you actually learn. Most IT courses cover networking, troubleshooting, system administration, and security. Some also include automation and cloud computing, which can give you an edge. Many programs include hands-on labs and real-world tasks, which are important for building practical experience. Now, here's the strategy most people miss. Instead of taking just one course, you can combine multiple courses to build a complete IT skill set. For example, you might start with IT support, then move into automation, and later explore cybersecurity. That's where Coursera Plus becomes very useful. You can access multiple programs and build a full career path without paying for each one separately. But let's keep it real. Courses alone won't guarantee a job. You still need to practice, build skills, and apply what you learn. So, are Coursera IT courses worth it? If you choose the right programs and stay consistent, then yes, they can be a strong starting point for a career in IT, especially if you combine learning with hands-on practice. If you want to explore these courses or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest reviews like this.